Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to increase the performance in your vehicle?
Then you are going to love these Fox shocks. This is the Fox 2.0 Performance Front Shocks. We have these installed in a truck build that we've been working on, and this is a Dodge Ram. It's got a little bit of a lift to it, and these are installed here already into the springs, and we have been super happy with these. They have been on for quite a while. They have really improved the ride and the smoothness, so we drive this truck on road and off road, and in both instances it has really made a difference. So driving on the road, there's a lot less vibration, a lot less bumps, and it really does help to absorb all of that impact. And off-road, they perform super well, and no matter what type of terrain you're on, it has a lot more predictability, so definitely a safer ride overall. So Fox is known for their high quality shocks, and these are no different.
So we are super happy with these shocks, and that's my point of view.